Hey y'all, this is Dalton. This is my channel. Yes, I live in Pennsylvania. Yes, if you're in Pittsburgh, look like we did get hit by a tornado. We had heavy winds. The worst is not over, so be cautious. Okay. Today they told us tornadoes, heavy winds, hail, and thunderstorms. So trees are on the ground, wires are on the ground, emergency crews are all over the place. So please act civilized and be patient with the places that are trying to help you, like gas stations and stuff like that. There's a lot of people just don't, they're trying to get stuff to survive through the night for themselves, their family, their kids. Be respectful to each other. Don't try to act like ignorant cavemen. I just saw some idiot trying to make a rap video while everybody else is just trying to get gas. Okay? Yeah. So you're going to have idiots try to take advantage of a bad situation. So be on alert for that. You have your tools ready. There are some places, if you go farther out, they do have lights, and some stores may still be open, but it's getting close to about 10:30, 11, so so it's chaotic, and we do have emergency situation here in Pittsburgh, so I'm just letting y'all know. Okay, and this is, like I said, April the 29th, 2025, and I'm Dalton. So that's what's going on. If you are those people who are affected and don't have lights, there's a reason. Okay, don't be discouraged. Emergency crews are still out there. The buses are still running. Okay, majority of people are being respectful. You have some that's just acting ignorant, but what's new? Yeah, this is a emergency situation. This is bad. Okay, I'm just let y'all know. So that's one time I'm glad I don't have an electric car. Okay, because I have a gas, I have a regular gas car, and I can actually charge up my stuff. Those who were in the process of charging up their cars, they kind of left without. So, like I said, be courteous, but be cautious. All right. And I mean, when I said there's trees on the ground, limbs on the ground, wires on the ground, just like anything you would see, a tornado or heavy winds. Okay. And just be careful when you're driving. You got a lot of emergency crews out right now trying to help you. Do not run into them. Okay? Be respectful. Drive the speed limit. Because I seen one guy almost get hit. And he's just trying to help people. So, this is not regular driving weather. And there's probably more to come. So, buckle down. All right? I just want to let y'all know. Yeah, it's bad. So, this is Dalton. And the lights are going to be off for a while in some places, especially in Pittsburgh. So, best thing to do is do your best. All right? I'll wrap to you later. Peace.